There's many things to be scared of these days.
But real estate should not be one of them. Details coming right up. Welcome back to the Halloween edition of Real Estate on the Lam, bringing you the latest market information, some predictions, and some tricks and treats along the way. Hi, I'm Lambros Demos from Royal LePage, and I understand how buying real estate can be scary, especially in today's market. It's probably the largest financial transaction you'll ever make in your life. But if you have a long-term plan, it's also likely the safest investment you'll ever make. Over the last 40 or 50 years, home prices have almost doubled in value every 10 years or so. In the 1980s, the average price was $100,000. In the 90s, it was $200,000. In the early 2000s, it was $400,000. And in the last decade, it was almost $800,000. And now we are over $1 million for an average home. Will that trend continue? Maybe, maybe not. But it is a safe bet that in 10 years from now, your home will be worth more than what you bought it for, even if it was at the peak of the market. This chart behind me only goes back to 1994. And you can see the peaks and valleys, but looking at it from a long-term perspective, the average price is always on an upward trajectory. Let's zoom in closer on what's happening in today's market. These are detached homes, which hit their peak in February this year and fell approximately 5% per month until July, and now seem to have settled there, around the price point of $1.37 million. Similar story for semis, as they appear to have a bit of resurgence, dipping below $1 million in August, but bouncing back up in September. Freehold townhomes are pretty flat. Not much price difference there at all since July. Condo townhomes are interesting because they did not drop as much in price as freeholds, and they too now have bumped up over $800,000. Ditto for condo apartments, showing a lot of resiliency, and in my opinion, this speaks to the affordability factor. With higher interest rates and freeholds out of reach for most buyers, they're turning to condos, be it high-rise or low-rise, as their property of choice. So, where do we go from here? We had a slight increase in supply last month after dropping the previous two. Sales volume is hovering around 5,000 for the last 3 months, a record low for this time of year, but that goes back to the interest rate hikes. Many people are sitting on the sidelines waiting to see what will happen, while others are trying to take advantage of the 120-day pre-approval rate before it expires. I expect to see a small surge this month and maybe next before it cools off again in December when most locked-in pre-approval rates have expired. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious about your neighborhood's market activity, please do not hesitate to contact me. I would love to hear from you and happy to show you the local stats and answer your questions. You may call, text, email, or even post a comment in the section below. And in the meantime, please like and share this video. And if you're watching on YouTube, please click that subscribe button or follow me on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn to get all the latest videos and market information. Have a fantastic day and stay safe.